Today, we will learn how to use the Find and Replace option in Microsoft Word. To illustrate that, we type equals to RAND bracket 3 bracket close and then press the enter key. This will create a sample data for our illustration. To replace the Word document in this sample data, we hold down the Control key and press G. A dialog box appears. Select the Replace tab and type in the Word document in the Find What field. Also type in the word File in the Replace With field and click Replace All. This will automatically replace all the Word document to file. As we can see in the first, second and third paragraph.